Took the quarter. Oh, this one right here then. Yeah. Okay, got it. Thank you. Something good. I'm gonna do this. Get one of these then. That one took mine too. I guess we'll come down to this one. Just kidding. That's how you finagle it. See that?
Oh, okay.
It's Robin or somebody. I don't know. It looks like a mouse. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Oh, sweet. It's supposed to be a quarter, but it's not. So I got one of these right here. Just put in the quarter, turn it, put in the quarter, turn it, and then you'll get your price. So. It's restock day. We have new vending machines. So we have that. We have this guy again. We have that, and we have that. I think I'll stick to this one right now. Got something green. I wish it would be him. Or him, but whatever. So I got this pretty cool and neat. I'm gonna go for mystery. What will I get? What do you guys think I will get? I'm gonna say... Oh, I was gonna say slime. I was looking at that. I hope it's that. I'll say that. But there's that little guy too. I think I've won him before. It's probably gonna be one of those from Walmart. Let's see. So I'm gonna say this guy or him. Or it's a squishy. I forgot about these. So yeah, it's a squishy. Like an octopus guy. Sweet. It's a smaller capsule, so I know what it isn't.